When you are running a business, you are always searching for new ways to create fresh source of revenue. I created one for my business last year while launching a cloud consultancy services. Hi, I am Ravin Jala. I live in Mumbai and I am the co-founder and Chief Digital and Technology Officer of VCNS Global. We specialize in providing security solutions, IT review and overall consultancy in technology sector. When you are working with global players like Marriott, Hyatt, Hilton, Oberoi and Taj, you have to take care of all their needs. I wanted to cater to customers who wanted to take their journey towards the cloud, and while I was doing this course, I started my cloud consultancy services. So I was learning every day and implementing my learning at my business too in real time. Our customer usually don't know whether they want to opt in for public cloud or a private cloud or Azure or Google or a data center. So we study their business and suggest which cloud service would suit them best. After I completed the course, I was able to structure the whole cloud consultancy vertical for my company. We have added 7 cloud consultancy customers. I think it was a wise decision to take the course. I could actually take the time out to study because the course was flexible. I could access course videos on my phone, so my work did not suffer. So that's how easy it is, even for people working at a senior level like me. At that level, you must devote your time to learn new things to improve efficiency. In business, time is money. So make a wise investment today.